What if Audi reinvented the RS5 with 630 horsepower, hybrid tech, and an identity crisis? Stick around, this might shock you. Welcome back to the channel TurboTorque Media. Today we're diving into the all-new 2027 Audi RS5. Not just another RS5, but possibly the most controversial yet. In Europe, the 2027 RS5 starts around €106,200 for the sedan and slightly more for the Avant. That's about 1.14 crore before taxes and duties.
Audi hasn't confirmed an India launch yet, so import taxes could make it a wallet breaker here.
Under the hood is a 2.9-liter twin-turbo V6 electric motor pushing a combined 630 horsepower and 750 Nm torque, a hybrid powerhouse that scoffs at its predecessor. Estimated 0 to 100 in 3.6 seconds and up to 285 km per hour with an optional sport pack. That optional sport package unlocks a top speed of 285 km per hour. Absolutely insane for a hybrid sedan. Now here's where it gets controversial. Purists hate the idea of an RS car with a hybrid system. Does adding electric motors dilute the raw RS legacy or elevate it? Comment yes or no. The old RS5 punched 444 HP with pure V6 growl and weighed less. The new one leaps ahead in power and technology, but also gains tons of weight due to the battery pack, giving mixed feelings to die-hard fans. Performance is up, efficiency is up, but some argue that the soul of the RS5 has been electric washed. Hard take? Maybe. Worth debating? Absolutely.
Inside, it's Audi at its most digital. 3 crisp screens, RS-focused graphics, a massive infotainment center, and premium seats.
The whole cabin feels futuristic yet practical for daily use. Optional features include OLED lighting, head-up display, and passenger touchscreen, something neither purists nor technophobes can ignore.
Thanks to the hybrid system, Audi claims up to 52 miles 84 kilometers of electric-only driving in Europe, ideal for city cruising without fuel.
Real-world figures may differ, but the promise is impressive. Official crash test results for this model aren't out yet, but the A5 platform usually scores 5-star safety figures with advanced driver assists and emergency braking systems. With features like blind spot monitoring, lane assist, and automatic braking standard, safety is taken seriously. On the road, the RS5 grips tightly thanks to Audi's Quattro AWD and dynamic torque control, which actively vector torque for cornering aggression and acceleration. It feels sharp, planted, and ready, a true super sedan experience. It may be hybrid, but the way it launches off the line, it still scares your spine. My honest take, this isn't just another RS5. It's a technological marvel and a divisive performance car. Some will call it a betrayal of RS purity, others, the future of performance. I think Audi nailed the performance envelope and added practicality. If you loved this review, smash that like button, subscribe for more automotive breakdowns, and tell us, hybrid RS5, yay or nay? Drive safe and stay connected to the channel TurboTorque Media for more bike and car reviews.